Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just hope that you all are doing really well. So today I'm sharing my Nykaa haul with you all. I have bought a lot from the Nykaa Black Friday sale, and thankfully my order was delivered this morning and the sale is still 30th of November. So in case you guys like anything, you can still shop it. So I will be sharing everything that I got from the sale. I've got a lot of things, and this video is not sponsored by Nykaa. I've bought everything with my own money. So without any further ado, let's get started with it. So the first and the most exciting thing that I got is this L'Oreal eye cream. I got two of them, one for myself and one for my mother. This is how the eye cream looks like. This is not basically an eye cream, it's an essence for your eyes. The thing why I bought it is the applicator. Just look at how cool the applicator is. I haven't tried it yet. I will try it and give you guys a full review on my Instagram. But this product looks very promising. I read a lot of reviews on Nykaa, and most of the people said that it showed result within a week. So I'm really excited to try this out. The next product are these Pixi volume sheet masks. Most probably these sheet masks will be going in a giveaway that I'm doing on my Instagram. So in case you are not following me there, go and follow me on my Instagram. So these ones retail for rupees 1100 and you get 3 sheet masks in rupees 1100. Since it's Pixi, they had to be expensive. This is how the sheet mask look. They even come in a glycolic acid variant in case you guys want to try them out. This one is the volume one. They are the collagen one. So the next product that I got is this Himalaya foot care cream. This is very inexpensive, you guys. I have used it earlier as well. I use it in summers as well as in winters. And in case you suffer from cracked heels, in case your feet look dull, dry, this is going to help you out. You should definitely try this one. This is for rupees 49, I guess. Yeah, this one is for 55 rupees, but I got it for 49 rupees on sale. All the products will be mentioned in the description box below with their prices in case you guys want to check it out. I got two of my cult favorites from Kiehl's. One is the Midnight Recovery Concentrate. I just love this. This is really good for your skin. It hydrates your skin. This is an oil-based serum, but it's not that oily that you can't use it. Every skin type can use it, and it has the benefits of anti-aging as well. And since I do a lot of makeup, I do take care of my skin, so I really love it. And the next product from Kiehl's is this vitamin C serum. This has 12.5% vitamin C. Guys, if you don't use vitamin C regularly, you should use vitamin C. Since the pollution is so bad, it is going to protect your skin from all the pollution, and this won't oxidize. So in case you guys have been searching for a good vitamin C serum, this is it for you. Next, I've restocked this lipstick from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink, and this is in the shade Delicate. This is a very pretty pink color, and these lipsticks don't transfer. So even if you are wearing a mask and you want to wear lipstick under your mask, this one won't transfer, and this is not so easy to take off. This is how the shade looks. So next I got this hand cream from Nykaa. This is the rose and white mask variant, and this smells amazing. Like the rose in this smells amazing. You can actually smell roses, and your hands are going to thank you for this. Since it's winter time, we all need a hand cream, and this one is really good. I love this one, and I love the Face Shop one, so you can choose. Next, I got this highlighter from Nykaa. This is the Glow Gold Shimmer Brick, and this is how the highlighter looks. And the best part about this highlighter is that you can use a variety of shades. You can use this as an eyeshadow as well. You can see how pigmented it is. Product is this Kama Ayurveda night cream. Guys, I love this night cream. I have already used one tub of this. This is quite expensive according to the price. This retails for rupees 12.95 and you get about 25 grams in this. This is quite expensive, but it is going to last you 2 months, which is quite okay. In case you want a night cream that doesn't have a lot of chemicals but it does wonders for your skin, then you should definitely try this one out. This has turmeric, saffron, but it has a very strong Ayurvedic smell, so make sure you don't have any problem with that. And this is how the cream looks. And with this night cream, I got this kit free from Kama Ayurveda. There was an offer, if you buy for 1100 rupees, you get this kit free. Then next I have a sample of this rejuvenating and brightening Ayurvedic night cream. The one that I ordered, same as the one that I ordered. So even this was a pretty good deal. I get to try all these new things from Kama Ayurveda, and I can choose what to buy and what not to buy the next time. This is the Bringadi Intensive Hair Treatment Oil. In case you guys suffer from hair fall, try this out. This is really good. Then we have the Kumkumadi Brightening Ayurvedic Face Scrub. I haven't tried this. I'm going to try this out. Then we have the Kama Ayurveda Pure Rose Water. I love their rose water. I don't know how many bottles I've finished of this rose water. It's very good. The next product are these Pixie Detoxify Eye Patches, and I was really excited for these. I bought one earlier and I ran out of it, and I really wanted a new one. This has caffeine, cucumber, gold. These are really good for your dark circles. They have one more variant, which is the Fortify. I guess that one is for puffiness and this one is for your dark circles, and this has actually done wonders for my dark circles. Next product that I got is this Dot & Key AHA BHA Peel. Next I got this face mask from Lotus. This is the Tea Tree Clear Face Mask. This helps to prevent pimples, acne, blemishes and spots. Since tea tree is really good for your skin, it helps to treat our pimples. This is really good for people who have oily and acne prone skin, and I will be trying this out as well, but I've heard really good reviews about this one. And it is a clay mask, and clay masks are really good for oily skin people, so you should give this one a try. Then next I have these two Face Shop scrub. These are the Smart Peeling Scrub. One is the pearl variant and the other is the sugar variant. If you have oily skin, you can go for the pearl variant, and if you have dry skin, you should go for the sugar variant. Both of them are equally nice. They don't have any harsh particles that would damage your skin. If you are using a walnut or apricot or even oatmeal based scrub, it is going to harm your skin really bad. So please take care of that. This is how the Smart Peeling Scrub looks, and as you scrub it, it's going to bring off all the dead skin from your face. This is how the Sugar Scrub looks. This is very good for your skin, guys, especially for winters. You should give this one a try. This is not going to dry your skin out as well. So next are these sheet masks from Innisfree. They were on an offer of buy 5 get 5. They don't usually go on sale. They go on sale very rarely, and whenever they do, I make the most of it. If I had to choose one brand of sheet mask, I would choose Innisfree. I just love Innisfree and Face Shop, but these ones are better than Face Shop as well, I feel. And my favorite one is the rice one. This is really very brightening, and I bought 2 rice ones, and the rest are pomegranate, green tea, rice again, and then we have fig, and we have ginseng. So the next product is this K Beauty Setting Powder. This is in the shade Banana. This is avocado and mango butter in it. I have heard a lot of good things about this one. I love my Fit Me Loose powder, but I had to give this one a try. I love K Beauty products. Next I have stocked up my Herb Day Foaming Cleanser. This is in the variant Aloe Vera. This is from the Face Shop. I used to use the Patanjali Saundarya face wash earlier. Either that or I use the Neutrogena Deep Clean face wash. But since the time I've started using these ones, there is no going back for me. They foam really well on your skin. They do not dry out your skin, and they do really brighten up your skin. The next from Face Shop, I have this cleansing balm. This is the Aloe Cleansing Balm. Now, whenever you are doing your makeup, you need to do 2 steps when you are removing your makeup. One is the cleansing balm, and then after that you are supposed to use your face wash, and it is going to help you get rid of waterproof makeup as well. This is how the balm looks. Next, I have the Innisfree Brightening Post Sleeping Mask. This is something that I'm trying out for the first time. I have heard a lot of people recommend sleeping mask. This has vitamin C, and the best part why I have purchased this is because this has niacinamide, which is very good for brightening your skin. So I will be trying it out, and again I will be giving you guys a full review on my Instagram. I got this brightening pore trio free from Innisfree, and I got a vitamin C sheet mask free as well. Next, I have this green tea clear face mask from Plum. This is very good for acne prone and oily skin, I have combination skin, so on days it's oily, on days it's dry. Even I don't understand my skin, but I really like this one. This one again has glycolic acid in it. Guys, whenever you're purchasing your skincare, make sure that it has good ingredients in it. Like my night cream has all, like the night cream that I mentioned earlier, has saffron, has turmeric, has really good ingredients. Then this one has glycolic acid, so make sure. Then the bright and the sleeping mask has niacinamide, so make sure that you do your research before buying anything. Make sure that it suits your skin type, because what might suit my skin type won't suit yours, vice versa. It does burn on your skin, so make sure that your skin is not that sensitive. Last but not the least, I got this skincare kit from the Face Shop. This again is going to go into giveaway. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, go follow me there, because a lot of giveaways are happening there. This kit is going to go into giveaway again, I think, and I am going to order one more for myself because I really like the kit. So this one is for 1100 rupees, and I'll show you guys what all it has. So first it has this Face Shop skincare kit. It has this kit which has 4 things in it. One is the toner, emulsion, serum and the cream. This one alone retails for 1100 rupees, and I got it in a set where I got this free, so it is a steal deal, you guys. Then next in this kit you get this face mask, which is glow that will start rumors, and these masks are the need of the hour, you guys. Then it has this rice water face wash. I have used this, I have mentioned it earlier. This one is very good. This is going to brighten up your skin like anything. Rice anyways is really good for your skin. Then it has this sheet mask, which is the solution brightening sheet mask. I haven't tried this earlier, I am going to try it. This hand cream, this is in the cherry blossom variant. I am using it right now, and it smells amazing, you guys. This is going to moisturize your hands, and the next morning your hands are going to feel so soft. I assure you guys this. Cup of aloe vera gel, like how big is this tub? I guess if these products were not in a kit, they would have costed me around 2500, but I got them for just 1100 rupees. And I love the Face Shop aloe vera gel. I do use it. I have the tube, and now I got the tub free in this kit. This aloe vera gel is totally pure. Last in this kit we have this Calendula Essential Moisture Sample Kit. This has a toner and an emulsion. Like the size is pretty good. I feel like this will at least last me. The toner and the emulsion will last me at least 10-15 days, I guess. So this kit is very good, you guys. This is value for money. And I also got this bag free with the kit, like 1100 rupees, and I get all these things like. And I forgot to mention that I got this beard wash free with the eye cream, and this is the Barber Club beard face and hair wash. I am going to try and give this to someone who can use it, either to my brother or my father who can use it. And this actually smells very good, and I'm very tempted to use this for my hair, but I'm not going to use it. So yeah, I got this free from L'Oreal. So yeah guys, that's it about the video. I just hope that you all enjoyed it. I will be using all these products and reviewing them on my Instagram, so make sure that you are following me on my Instagram. I will leave my Instagram handle in the description box below. Make sure that you guys like the video, comment and subscribe to my channel if you like the video, and I shall see you guys next time. Bye bye. And so guys, that's it about my Nykaa haul. I will be trying out all the things and will be posting my review on Instagram, so make sure you are following me there. My Instagram handle is mentioned in the description box below. Make sure that you guys like the video, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye, take care, stay home, stay safe.